Hi friends, my name is Kostupal. Today we are talking about climate changes. Climate changes, climate changes refers to the significance of the changes in the earth, in the climate and the weather patterns over time it involves long term in the temperature long term temperature and another aspects of the climate another aspects of the climate. Second one, causes of climate changes. Causes of climate changes, natural causes. These are includes these are includes uh, includes evaporation, radiation and natural gases gas house greenhouse gas functions. Human activities, the primary drive in the is the increases in the greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, CO2 and methane, CH, due to the activities like burning fossil fuels for fossil fuels, mm, deforests and industrial wastes. Gases traps heat in the atmosphere, leading to the global warming. Third one, impact of climate changes. uh, Climate changes, temperature rises, averages global temperature have increases, leading to the more frequent and severe mm, severe effects. Sea level rises, ice caps and the along with the along with the mm, to rise the sea level, which threats the constant common nutrients. Fourth one, excretions. Weather weather increases the frequency of the industries and the external weather or event in the event in the event in the heavy rainfall ecosystem depletes the ecosystem and the biodiversity losses that affecting wildlife and the plants and the species of human health. Health health risk from the heart waves and spread diseases and poor air qualities. Fourth one, uh, my methane adequate effects reducing in the preventing the emulsion of the greenhouse gases. These includes the invisible energy sources, improving energy efficiency and adequate substances, particles, adequate adjusting the particles and the infants or and the infrastructure to damages the climatic changes. These these includes the building different in the infrastructure development development earlier warming system and alternating the agricultural practices. Fifth one, global agreements, international agreements such as Paris agreements aim to aim to limit the global warming to well before two 2 degrees above the industrial level, and the pressure effects to the limit to the 1.5 C. These agreements focuses on the reducing the emulsion and the suspending and the supporting the weatherable or the nation in the adopting the climatic changes and the impact. Thank you so much.